Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Yes, don't mind my broken nail here. I broke my nail about 2 days ago opening the drawer in the kitchen. I was so mad because, well, I still have them on. I wanted to keep them on for a week, but yeah, I still have them on and it's broken, so don't mind that. But yes, I have the Maniology Mani by Me subscription box. This is the November box, and I haven't looked at any sneak peeks or anything. I did see something on Instagram. I think it is like Christmas kind of inspired, but yeah, I don't even know what the free gift or anything is, so I kind of want to be surprised. So but yeah, we get this cute little card here. You'll love what's wrapped up in this month's Mani by Me box. With holiday hi, comfort is key. Grab a steamy mug of cocoa, turn up the holiday tunes, and let's deck your nails with a sprinkle of Scandinavian magic. Snuggle up to 2 new plates filled with all things cute and cozy. You'll feel right at home for the holidays. Our first polish is Spearmint, a true green stamping polish with a cream finish. Winterberry, a rich red stamping polish with dazzling pearl finish. And then our free gift is a glitter shaker keychain. I'm excited. Ooh, that sounds cute. So we just have this Frosty Fjords. So yes, it's Scandinavian inspired Christmas, which is really cute. Totally different than, you know, your normal Christmas prints. I really like them though. They're super, super cute. So we're going to go ahead and get this open and look at everything. Look at this tissue paper. How cute. I love the tissue paper. I've been keeping all the tissue papers from all the little boxes I've been getting. So cute. So yes, we're going to go ahead and first take a look at the sticker. We always get a little sticker. This one's cute. Don't bottle it up. Really, really cute little sticker there. And so we're going to look at this little free gift here. This is so cute. It's a keychain and it looks just like a bottle of the stamping polish. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I was trying to see if it opened. I don't know why, but yeah, it's so cute. I love it. It's pink and it's got glitter and it's got little stars and little hearts floating in there. Really, really cute. I absolutely love it. It's just, I love little miniatures. So yeah, this is just super cute. I love it. And we're going to go ahead and take a look at the polishes. So we get these gorgeous Christmas inspired colors. Absolutely gorgeous. Gonna zoom in here so we can take a better look. Look at this green. I don't have a green. I've been wanting a green like this. This is called Spearmint. I don't have like a true green. Oh god, this is just, it's so pretty. I love it. Look at that. Very creamy and beautiful. And then the next one is Winterberry. This very beautiful, it's not a true red. It's like a reddish kind of pink color. And then it's got a very pretty shimmer. It's a pearl finish. Very, very pretty. Perfect for Christmas. And we have MXM115. Look at how pretty this is. I just love the designs on here. Like it said, they're Scandinavian inspired. So yeah, it kind of reminds me of Frozen. I think Frozen, isn't it filmed? I think it's supposed to take place like Norway, I think. But yeah, this kind of gave me like the Frozen vibes. I absolutely love it. Just something different. This one is very, very pretty. It's got different snowflakes. I just love the little animals. It's just so pretty. Something different. I love it. Just not your basic Christmas, just a little bit of a twist to it. Absolutely love it. All right, so this is everything that we get in the box this month. I'm going to go ahead and get everything ready and we're going to go ahead and swatch the polishes. All right, so we're going to start with the green one first, Spearmint. I'm going to do, of course, the little Christmas tree. Sorry, guys, I know my light is like right there and it kind of blinds, but if I move it, then it gets kind of dark, so... But I just want you guys to be able to see what I'm doing. So first I always go in with my sticky base because sometimes the image won't stick to the top of the polish bottle. So I just go ahead and put that on. We let that dry for about 30 seconds. Yeah, this one it picked up okay, but part of the tree didn't pick up some of the edge of it, so I wanted to go ahead and do it over. So I just wiped the plate with 100% acetone. That's the only thing you want to use on your plate is 100% acetone. You don't want to use regular nail polish remover because it has oils in it, and so that's not good for the plate. And no alcohol, just 100% acetone. I've gotten a few requests to do a stamping video, so I'm working on that. I'm going to get to that here probably after Thanksgiving. I'll go ahead and do a stamping video because yeah, I've just been loving stamping. I just absolutely love it. So, but yeah, that green was just perfect for that little tree. And then for the red color, I'm going to take an image here, the Merry Christmas. And yeah, like I said, it's not like a true red. It's got like a pinkish tint, Winterberry. So yeah, perfect name, and it's really, really pretty, and it's got that pearl. But yeah, that picked up very nice. And there was something else on there, but I just left it. And I was like, oh well, you can, just so we can see the color on there. So yeah, that's what it looks like on the white, and of course, and then on the black. So yeah, I'm just going to be cleaning up my plate here. So yes, I'm going to get my hand ready and think of a design, and then I'll be right back. Alright, so I already went ahead and prepped my hand, put my tips on. We're going in with perfect white on the index and the pinky. The middle finger is this beautiful shimmer sexy berry from Madam Glam. Absolutely gorgeous. It's got a shimmer and it's so pretty. I did a set, I think it was last year. I did a snowflake set. And then cream donut, of course, on the ring finger. I absolutely love cream donut for a background. But yes, the middle finger, I did do a set with this, and I did some snowflake stickers over it, and it came out so pretty. So yeah, I want to do something similar to that. So yeah, we're going to be doing white snowflakes on this nail because it just, I don't know, just something about that color looks really good with the white. So I'm just applying my sticky base. And then we're going to let that dry for 30 seconds. And we're going in with Bam White. That's from Maniology. And at the tip of the nail, I wanted to do some of this, the little snowflakes going across the tip of the nail. I should have used more of a square, wider nail. It would have looked, would have showed more of the images. But I don't know. I decided to go in with some coffin. But yeah, this is just a demo. I wasn't like doing a set, per se. But just to give some ideas. But yeah, I like the way that looked around the tip of the nail. And then I'm going to take this other little snowflake and we're going to do that at the cuticle area. And this one is so pretty. I love it. Very pretty. And then I decided to go in with the green on here just to add some color. And we're going to do this little design. It says ho, ho, ho. And I think it has some little, I don't know if they're snowflakes. Yeah, I think they are tiny little snowflakes. But yeah, I just wanted to add some color. But yeah, I thought it looked cute. And then I'm going in with the smudge-free top coat. I just didn't want anything to get messed up. So I'm just sealing that in. But at the end, I do eventually go in with a gel top coat that you cure. But for now, I just wanted to seal in the design. So for the index finger, I'm going in with this little, I don't know, it has like bells and like the holly. And we're going to put that at the cuticle. I'm going to do just a little bit of reverse stamping. I wanted to fill in the image with a little bit of color. So I am taking winterberry, and then there's some little holly berries. Yeah, I'm using this maniology brush. It was weird. I took the cap off, and the whole where you see the metal where the brush is, a whole part came off and glitter spilled all over my desk. So yeah, but we got these, I don't know if it was it last month or the month before, as our free gift. We got 5 brushes, different sizes, and then they have dotting tools at the end. So yeah, I'm just filling in all the little holly berries with this red color. So we're going to be applying some more sticky base. So yeah, I did add that kind of blue, metallic blue for the bells. I don't have a silver from Maniology, so I just decided to use this metallic blue. It's really, really pretty. And then these are kind of like little ornaments. It look like little ornaments hanging, so I'm going to be putting those right around the cuticle area, like coming out of where I just put the little bells with the holly. What I should have did was put the green in the middle and the 2 reds on the outside. I don't know what I was thinking. I think I was going to do all red, but then I decided to put green. So yeah, you'll see. Yeah, it kind of bugged me, but I didn't notice it till like after, when I was editing my video. I'm like, I should have put the green in the middle, but whatever, it's done. So it's just a demo. So, but yeah, definitely when I do my sets with this, I'll try to coordinate the colors better. But yeah, I think the green should have went in the middle. So then on the bottom, I'm also going to be putting this little design, kind of like we did the middle finger at the tip there. I don't know, I just think that's cute to have like the design at the tip, not necessarily like a French tip, you know, like a French tip, but I don't know, just to have some little decoration there. I think it's really cute. And then for the ring finger, we're going to go in and do this this image here that has a lot of animals. It has the holly. It's got like little pine needles, different little things like that. So I'm going to be outlining that in black, and then I'm going to be filling in some of the images, doing some reverse stamping. This part's a little bit long. I sped it up as much as I could so that you could still see what I was doing. So yeah, I'm not going to talk much. You'll see me putting different colors of the polishes, and then yeah, I'll just let you guys go ahead and watch me reverse stamp. Right, I like the way it came out. It came out really cute with all the little animals. I love it. All right, so yeah, I did go ahead and put a gel top coat on. I really wanted to protect that. So now we're gonna go in with Twinkle Toes. This is the one I got in the Box of Joy, the big box from Maniology, the holiday box. This one is a beautiful blue, and it's also got a metallic finish to it. So I'm going to be putting that against the white, and I think it just looked so pretty. It looks like those sweaters, those holiday sweaters. Oh, I just love it. It's super pretty. So yeah, the end, the image wasn't long enough to go all the way to the bottom. So I'm just going to take a little bit of the image. Sorry, I don't know why it got so blurry. I don't know what it was focusing on because, yeah, I don't know what happened there, but... But yeah, I'm just gonna just keep a tiny bit of the image. I mean, I just need enough just to fill in that little tiny space. So yeah, I like that. It does look like those sweaters. And then I am just putting some, this is just a whatever kind of gel top coat, and then I go ahead and cure it, and then I do clean up around, you know, clean up the hand and around the cuticles. But yeah, this is the finished little look here. Just a quick little demo to just show you what you can do with these stamping plates. But yeah, I did put a little rhinestone in the middle of that that snowflake. So yeah, and this is just some more little images here. But yes, I really enjoy the box. I'll leave everything linked down below, so go ahead and check out everything. This is everything in the box, and like I said, I absolutely love the box. It's amazing. So yes, thank you so much. We'll see you next time. Bye.